Alright, this is the best bot I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, the best bot in the world right now. I'm going to use initial stake of $2,000. I'm staking $2,000. If you are not getting this bot right now, I want to tell you I'm missing so much. You're missing so much, and I want you to make use of this time now. Don't even delay, because you're going to see now it's loading right now. Now the best thing in this bot is that there's nothing like martingale. It doesn't have martingale. Alright, you see what's happening now. I've taken the first one now. You're going to see how much I'm going to make right now with this bot within a very short period of time. Look at my balance. I'm using a live account. I'm not using demo account. So this is a live account. Right now I'm printing money. So if you want to print money with me, it's very simple. This is binary bot printing money right now. Look at the magic that's going to happen right now. So if you want to make money even in the hard time when people are complaining, the possibility is here. It's just for you to get this bot now. So this is a live account. It's a live account. So it's happening here live. It's not a demo. It's not something that it's on demo, not demo. It's the best bot in the whole world right now. So if you want to get the bot, just DM me. I'm going to send you the bot. I'm going to give you the bot. Very affordable. So if you want to, there's no point wasting time again. No time to waste time again. Just make sure that you get the bot. Now look at how much I'm going to print. Right now I've made so much money already. Look at my balance. So making money is very simple and easy with these binary bots. If you want to join, if you want to start making money, it's very easy. The secret is here already. We are printing money. If you want to mint money with us, we are here to help you. No martingale here. We don't have martingale here. The bot is delivering very well. So you have nothing to fear.